So in our last video, we talked about what is niche, how to find it, and what are the freelancing platforms that you should go with. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about how you would be setting up your profiles on Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn that stand out in your competition and you get potential clients. These three platforms are very crucial for freelancers to showcase their skill and get clients. So think of them as your digital storefronts and your chance to make an excellent first impression. Did you know, according to a 2024 report by Forbes, freelancers contributed $1.4 trillion to the US economy, with platforms like Fiverr and Upwork leading the charge. Over 70 million people worldwide are tapping into the gig economy. On LinkedIn, over 58 million companies are actively searching for talent every day. These numbers highlight the immense opportunities available, but only if your profile stands out. In this video, I'll walk you through each step of setting up your profiles on these platforms that bring you clients and credibility. By the end of this video, you will have actionable tips to transform your online presence into a client magnet. Now I'm going to talk about a few steps that you would follow and apply on your all freelancing platforms. Now let's understand the purpose of your profile first. Think of your profile as a blend of your resume, portfolio, and personal brand. It's your chance to make a memorable first impression and stand out in a competitive market. Your goal here is to showcase your skills and expertise clearly, build trust and credibility by presenting a professional image, highlight how you can solve specific problems for clients and deliver results. Your profile should not only tell people what you do, but also why you are the right fit for the job. It's more than just listing your qualifications. It's about storytelling and connecting with your audience. No matter the platform, whether it's Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn, approach your every profile with the client's perspective and ask yourself these questions. If I was a buyer, would I trust this profile? Does this person seem capable, reliable, and easy to work with? Are their skills and experience aligned with the problems I need to solve? This mindset is critical. It ensures every detail of your profile serves the ultimate goal, and that is converting the visitors into clients. Number 2, crafting the perfect profile photo. We as humans are inclined towards the faces. You would have met a lot of people in your life and the only thing that you remember is their faces. You can forget the names and the task they have done for you, but one thing that you always remember is their face. In our case, your photo is the first thing that clients notice on your profile. So here are some tips to make it stand out. Use a clear and friendly headshot with good lighting and a neutral background. I have seen people using their names, logos, the first letter of their names, which is a very unprofessional way, because clients want to interact with humans like you, not robots or machines. You can wear any good outfit that represents your profession, but avoid selfies, casual attire, or overly edited photos. Let's take an example. Imagine scrolling through profiles. Would you trust someone with a blurry selfie or someone with a professional, well-lit portrait? A polished photo builds confidence instantly. Here is a quick tip if you want your photos to look very professional. If you have a budget, hire a professional photographer. But if you don't have the budget, you can use your iPhone in portrait mode and have the photo captured by someone and then edit it in Lightroom. Now let's have a look at my profile picture that I'm using across all my freelancing platforms, including LinkedIn. As I'm a professional photographer, so I have a professional camera which is Sony a7 III with good lighting and a good backdrop. Also, I have used the same profile picture on all of the platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. So whenever the clients come, they can notice that I'm selling my services across all the platforms. So they will think that how actively I am searching for job and how serious I am. Number 3, writing a client-focused description. You should be writing it according to your clients. Your description is your elevator pitch. It should clearly explain what you do and how you can solve your clients' problems. Follow these steps that I applied in my profiles. Number 1, introduction. Start with your name, then who you are and your key skill. Number 2, value proposition. Highlight how you solve clients' problems. And then last but not the least, call to action. Encourage clients to reach out or place an order. Now let's take a look at my profile description on Fiverr. So I have started it with among the top 5% of video editors on Fiverr. Helped hundreds of businesses and individuals from 70 plus countries with top-notch videos. Hi, I'm Faisal, a nominated top-rated video editor with a passion to create videos that captivate and engage audiences worldwide. Proven track record, high impact results, skilled in producing high retention videos that consistently drive sales. Earned the trust of 1600 plus clients with outstanding reviews on Fiverr. Trusted by leading brands, proudly collaborated with names like Unilever, Haier, Smartphone, and Netcore. You can use emojis as well to get the attention of your client and to have the emphasis on these lines. Now let's have a look at the description of my profile on Upwork. I have added the first line as unlimited free revisions until you are 100% satisfied, 24/7 24/7 availability. So the clients may notice that I am providing them services 24/7, that I have a team, and they also may notice that I provide unlimited revisions, so they will be getting their work done very professionally and according to their satisfaction. And then I have added, with 6+ years of experience, I'm a professional video editor and cinematographer specializing in video editing, post-production and color grading. So in this first line, I have added my experience. I have added my extra skill cinematography. So the clients may notice that they will be getting more than just video editing. So it can be a plus point in your case as well, regardless of the skill that you are going with. And then I have added, I have worked with a range of clients from local businesses to multinational corporations, and I run a 24/7 video editing house that serves clients around the world. Now this highlights that I'm not alone and I'm having a good team, so I can manage any workload. So any big clients come to me and get their work done. You can tell about your team, your agency, or any workforce that you have. I have seen a lot of people hiding that they are working alone and they are just freelancers. But remember, you cannot scale your business as a freelancer, and your clients will be noticing this when you will be getting the jobs done from your team and telling the clients that I did it myself. So try to be honest and tell this beforehand. And then I have added the section of my offerings, and then the services that they will be getting, and then the softwares that I use, and then some guarantees like 100% satisfaction, 24-hour turnaround if needed, and unlimited revisions. And then I have added a call to action: contact me to discuss your project details. While writing down your profile description, just be clear, concise, and be honest, because the clients will be noticing all the things that you tell beforehand and then what you will be doing afterwards. Avoid technical jargons unless your clients are industry experts. And last but not the least, use keywords related to your niche. Now once your profile is ready, the next step is creating your first gig. Now what is gig? Gig is basically a shop or store underneath your name. Your name works as a brand, and then your gig works as a store. Let's break it down for Fiverr and Upwork separately. Let's talk about Fiverr first. When creating gigs and services, make them clear, attractive, and clients oriented. Whether you're working on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn, the way you structure your offerings plays a significant role in converting views into clients. Let's do it one by one and start with Fiverr. In Fiverr's case, the number one thing is gig title. Make your title specific and results driven. Now what does that mean is include relevant keywords so clients instantly understand what you offer. For example, I will edit engaging YouTube videos to grow your channel, or I will create cinematic ads to boost your brand's visibility. Avoid generic titles like, in video editing case, I will edit videos. Now titles like these lack uniqueness and impact. Number two is thumbnails. Your gig thumbnail is often the first thing potential clients notice, so design one that grabs attention. Use Fiverr's recommended dimensions 1280 by 769 pixels for optimal display. Incorporate bold, easy to read text that highlights the main benefits of your gig, such as engaging YouTube edits or cinematic wedding films. Use vibrant colors, clean fonts, and a professional layout to make your thumbnail stand out in a crowded marketplace. Number three is packages. Now I have seen people using just one package, which is completely wrong. So offer 3 packages with basic, standard, and premium services to cater to clients with different budgets and needs. When you use your keywords in the description, focus on clients' needs and benefits. Use bullet points to make it easy to read. For example, why choose me? High quality video edits tailored to your brand, quick turnaround time, and unlimited revisions in premium packages, expertise in Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. Number 5 is tags and keywords. Use keywords your clients would search for, such as video editor, YouTube video editing, or wedding video editing in video editing's case. But if you have any other niche, you can search around some gigs and go to the end of the gig and see the tags there. Number 6 is FAQs. Add FAQs to address common questions like your revision policy, file formats you work with, or software used. And last but not the least, your gig gallery. Your gig gallery is the most important element among all, as you will be adding your expertise, your portfolio, or any screenshots related to your work or video in my case. So after having a look at everything, clients will come and see if you are capable of doing their job by looking at your portfolio, your work samples, your examples. So this is a very crucial step to convert your clients. Now let's talk about Upwork. Upwork is a bit different. It focuses on the profile mainly. So you have to complete your profile 100%. document. You have to add all the necessary details like your description, education, your portfolio, skills, and then you can also create some project catalogs so you may get some more visibility. And then you can ask for some testimonials as well from your previous clients. You should also add some certifications from LinkedIn or any other source so you get more credibility. And then in the employment history section, you should add all your past experiences. Like in my case, I have added all the experiences on platform or off platform. I have added them all. So whenever the clients will see this, they will assume that I have a significant experience in almost every field. The second thing in Upwork is specialized profile. I do not recommend this, but you can try with one specialized profile, as most of the work that I have gotten is the general profile, and that is what you will be using in all your jobs. Once your profile and gigs are ready, the next step is showcasing your portfolio. Your portfolio is something where clients see your work and the quality you are delivering. And here is how to make it impactful. Number 1, select your best work. Choose projects that represent the type of work you want more of. Number 2, describe each project. Include a brief explanation of the client's goal, your process, and the results achieved. Number 3, keep it visual. Use high quality images or videos to showcase your work. Now this was for those of you who have already done some freelancing projects and have something to show as a portfolio. But what do you do as a beginner? If you are just starting out and don't have clients' projects, create sample work to demonstrate your skills. As a video editor, you can take out the snippets from podcast of someone and you can show your editing skills and save it as a portfolio. If you are from graphics designing niche, you can copy the thumbnails of famous YouTubers like MrBeast or any other YouTuber that you like and save those thumbnails as your portfolio. And same goes for web developers. If you are a web developer, you can copy any website, add your own touch and save it as portfolio. Now let me share my story. When I was starting out, I used to make vlogs, so I had those videos as my portfolio. So when my first client came to me, I used those vlogs as my portfolio. I made a teaser out of it and showed it to client. They liked it and hired me. Another thing that I did for my portfolio is I did some university projects and then I made some videos for small brands and then I gathered those videos as my portfolio and showed it to bigger clients. I had made videos for food stalls, university and welfare organizations, so I had variety of stuff in my portfolio. And here is a quick tip for you as well. Always try to add variety in your portfolio so that you can grab any type of work in your niche. And here is the best way to showcase your portfolio. You can use Google Drive and categorize your work in subfolders. And number 3 is you can create your own website and showcase your work in a professional way. And this is the most effective way among all. Now number 6 is optimizing your headline and keywords. Your headline is one of the most important parts of your profile. So make it specific, clients focused and add keywords. For example, professional video editor specializing in YouTube and short form content, social media content creator, Reels, TikTok and stories. On LinkedIn, use your headline to reflect your personal brand. For example, helping brands tell their stories through engaging video content. Number 7, setting up LinkedIn for networking. LinkedIn is more than just a resume. It's a platform for networking and building authority in your niche. Here is how to optimize it. Number 1, banner and profile picture. Your profile picture should match the professional tone of your Fiverr or Upwork profiles. Use a banner that reflects your work, for example, a still from a video project. Number 2, about section. Make it similar to your Fiverr and Upwork description but tailored for networking. Mention your achievements and what sets you apart. Number 3, featured section. Pin your best work here for easy access. Number 4, skills and endorsements. Add relevant skills like video editing, motion graphics, Shopify expert, or any other niche that you are working on, and request endorsements from colleagues or clients. Number 8, common mistakes to avoid as a beginner. Avoiding these mistakes can significantly improve your profile's effectiveness and get you more clients. Number 1, using unprofessional and outdated photos. Your profile picture is often the first impression clients have of you, so avoid casual selfies, low quality images, or overly edited photos. Number 2, writing vague or generic descriptions. Be specific about your services and the value you bring to the table. The third mistake that most of the beginners do is ignoring the importance of a portfolio. Clients want proof of your skills. Even I have worked for 6 years in this niche, but still clients ask me for the portfolio. A strong portfolio builds trust and sets you apart. The fourth mistake is overlooking LinkedIn as a networking tool. LinkedIn is not just for traditional job seekers. It's a powerful tool for freelancers as well. Keep your LinkedIn profile professional and optimized with relevant keywords like freelance video editor or short form content creator. Share your achievements, client success stories, and portfolio updates updates as posts to attract potential clients. Engage with others in your industry by commenting on their post or joining LinkedIn groups. The fifth mistake is failing to update your profile regularly. Regularly update your portfolio, testimonials, and skills to reflect your most recent work. Ensure your availability status is accurate, especially on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. By focusing on professionalism, clarity, and clients' needs, you can stand out in a crowded marketplace. If you have questions or want more tips, just comment down below and let's build your dream freelancing career together. See you in the next video.